Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. And if you aren't subscribed already, I know I've got about 5,000 something subscribers already, but a lot of you guys are watching and aren't subscribed. So feel free, please support the channel. Click like and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's jump into today's topic. I have bikes, dirt bikes. We've got mountain bikes. We've got an old CT70 and CT90. And we got cars, the Raptor that's always dirty now. And needed to get something to clean it with some hot water. I've been driving to the car wash that's across town, spending like 25 bucks every time I go. And so now we wanted to change that up. So here's the Moto. This thing has been sitting here. Don't mind my shoes, they're like super squeaky. Dirty because I've been taking it to the car wash every time, along with this bad boy, because every time I take it out, I get so much dirt on it. And the bikes too. Not that I'm going to use those as pressure washers, but finally called the plumber, had him come out, and I was like, look, let's go ahead and create a solution. So this is what we got. I ended up getting the laundry rooms on the other side of this wall in the garage, and it's actually a lot easier than I thought it would be to get the hot and cold water stub out. And then basically just went to Lowe's this morning, got a retractable swivel hinge setup for the hose, and this thing will just run out to the driveway, wash the bikes over here. This thing's gonna make my day-to-day so much easier. I'm gonna be able to just go ahead, plug in, hook up, put my pressure washer out in the driveway, and have hot water. And the reason I did this was because when we bought this house, we have two hose bibs on either side of the house, but they're both behind the gate and towards the back of the house, which does not help for someone like me, or probably you, who's washing daily. So if you haven't thought about getting something hooked up in the garage, check out your floor plan, see where the plumbing is. We have crawl space access in Idaho for most of the property, so it makes it easy just to run that plumbing through below the house. You could do it above too if you're on slab, and get this thing dialed in, get some hot and cold water hookups so you don't have to go and run around the side of the house, or in the wintertime, have that hot water on tap is such a nice convenience. So hopefully that helps. A short video today, but just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what we did, since it's going to be transformative for me in the garage and be able to clean stuff just that much easier with hot water on tap.